This video will show you how to replace the manual T-handle cam with the power locking capable PL1-LAC cam. With a drill and metal cutting drill bit max 1/4 inch, begin by drilling out the existing rivets connecting the T-handle to the lock cam. Using any drill bit larger than the recommended size may damage the cam. Remove the cam from the door. Next, we will show you how to replace the manual cam with the power lock capable cam. Proceed with caution when removing the lock barrel. Damaging the brass hooks can prevent you from reinstalling the lock barrel. Make sure to insert the key, as this will pull the key tabs into the barrel. To remove the key barrel, you must access and press down the brass tab. This will release the barrel and allow you to remove the manual cam. For the next step, we recommend using a vice grip. This will allow you to free your hands. Place the cam with the key in the vice grip, making sure it is secure and the object does not move. Next, using a precision flathead screwdriver, proceed to insert the flat-headed screwdriver into the exposed area where you can see the brass tab. Carefully slip in and push down the brass tab. To release the barrel, pull on the cam. If the brass tab is pressed down correctly, the cam will remove with ease. Next, remove the manual cam and insert the new power locking cam. When inserting the auto locking cam, make sure that the hook is facing away from the keyhole. Now, let's proceed to reinsert the barrel lock to the cam. Carefully, with the same flat-headed screwdriver, press the brass tab and insert the barrel back into the cam. To confirm the barrel is secured to the cam, attempt to tug the cam from the barrel by turning the key to the locked position and pulling both the cam and the lock. Insert the cam into place to assure the lock cam fits again. Now that the cam is power lock capable, let's proceed to install the wire harness. This video will demonstrate how to install the L.A.C. wire harness. This demonstration is for double skin doors only. A single skin door will require you to install a harness using surface mounting components. Let's begin. As shown in the figure, you will need to mark the area where you plan to drill. Next, using a step drill bit, carefully proceed to drill the holes. Make sure not to dent or pierce through to the other side of the door when using the stepped drill bit. Finally, run the branch wires through the holes that you have just drilled out. We recommend using fish tape to make a successful pull-through to the other side of the holes drilled. Now let's work on the next step of completing this installation. After you have pre-drilled the door holes and pulled the power feed wires through in the previous step, you are now ready to install the mounting actuator base. Place the mounting base in an appropriate final location for test fitting. The final placement will be determined after the aluminum rivets are installed. Install the rivets. Use only aluminum rivets. Next, pre-drill the actuator screw holes for the mounting base, placing it in its final location. Place the cover over the assembly and center it appropriately. Pre-drill all the mounting holes on the actuator cover. Connect the electrical harness to the actuator, and then connect the power harness to the LED lighting in the L.A.C. Tuck all of the wires back into the pre-drilled holes on the door skin. Install all of the provided mounting screws through the actuator cover, mounting base, and the door skin to hold the cover in its permanent location. Check lock cycling to make sure that the actuator is synced with the appropriate lock and unlock positions. If the lock position and actuator are not in sync, simply reverse the actuator wires at the trunk connection. Once the actuator is tested and cycles, you have completed your installation. This video will demonstrate how to finalize wire installation between the trunk harness and the wired door. For the next step, the trunk harness and the PL1-LAC should already be installed. Let's begin. First, measure and insert the heat shrink tubing between the trunk and branch wire. Connect each wire by its color and secure it with the butt connectors provided. Tug the wires to confirm the connection is secure. We recommend using a heat gun to shrink the tubing. Your installation is now complete.